don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by brother Muthi.
Steve,
I'm good, my brother.
yeah, the result that it's not the result that we're looking for.
Yes.
Yeah, so this team Sekhukhune, you know very well, they signed a lot of players,
yes,
and the players.
Yes.
With team Womnare,
yes,
and also Sundowns player Mohalo.
yes.
So this team is very, very good, and it's giving us a hard time when it's playing against Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
They can beat Orlando Pirates, but the next game you find they lose 3-0, 2-0.
Yeah.
But when they come to Paris, I don't know what they did. They did on training.
Yeah.
But I hope this team has got a strong Muthi against Orlando Pirates.
Yeah. They have a strong Muthi.
Bro,
against Pirates.
any coach can coach Sekhukhune.
Yeah.
But I want to play to Paris.
Yeah.
Because Sekhukhune, they've got very, 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 very good on Muthi. At Lipompo.
Yeah.
Lipompo. Yeah. I respect this team.
Yeah.
There's got Leopards, Magezi, Polokwane City.
Yeah.
We beat those teams.
Yeah.
But when it comes to Sekhukhune,
Yeah.
I was watching there, and they told me that this game is going to end with 1-0. It's either part win 1-0 or Sekhukhune 1-0.
Yeah.
And at the end, Sekhukhune come victorious with 1-0.
Yes.
So I respect their chemical engineering. So let's come to the game. Let's go to the game.
Yeah.
You'll get your time, Tapsa, for winning, for your interview.
Yeah.
For your Muthi.
We beat them in their own game.
Yes.
Remember our development, we beat them with their own game.
Yes.
So it's a Muthi game. We learned from them.
You learn from there. The best.
Yeah, which means yours is the best. Yeah. So Steve, on this game, on players, according to the players and the coach, I don't blame anyone.
Yeah.
Everyone did their job.
Yes.
The coach did his job. The players did their jobs. Problem, the luck was on our side.
Yeah.
Because I mean, if you say you see the polls, we hit the polls twice.
Yes.
First half and the second half.
Yes.
And also their goalkeeper, Lennon. Is it Lennon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yes.
That long range for Sipombole,
Yes.
he saved it.
Yeah.
That one is a goal. It's a return. It was a goal all over.
Yeah.
But it's a wake-up call because now the league started now.
Yeah.
I'm just giving this coach maybe 5 games.
Yeah.
Because to see how he play, how combination, the process, what.
Yeah.
So after 5 games, Tibone, because last week we were happy about the first 11. This is the first 11 only except number 2. That player coming from Morocco.
Yeah.
He came in for Shando.
Yeah.
Then the rest, everyone was there.
Yeah.
So and last week we beat Polokwane 2-0. Yeah. We're very, very happy. So now we're going to the drawing board to correct our mistake. I understand maybe all the technical team, they see what happened.
Yeah.
So Tuesday we've got a very, very important game at Maruma Gallants at Bloemfontein. So everything is going to be rectified there.
Yeah.
So when we come on Saturday here, the big one, then everything will be fine.
Yeah.
But me, I'm happy because this thing is happening early.
Yeah.
Because each and every one today, when we came here, we thought we were going to win.
Yes.
To Sekhukhune.
Yeah.
And this team is giving us a harder time.
Yeah.
But we lost the game.
Yes.
And I don't blame anyone.
Yeah.
Supporters, they did everything.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Come, they sting all the way until they finally whistle.
Yeah.
So Steve, I don't know, but maybe when I reach home, I'm going to check that goal that he did.
That was it.
It was in. Okay, it's fine. But okay. So it's a clean goal.
Yeah.
So which means it's a fair one.
Yeah.
Also the referee.
Confirmed.
Also the referee today.
Yeah.
It was spot on.
Yeah.
Very spot on. And I just want to compliment this Ndule.
Look at the Ndoda.
Vele ka lesela wa tseba roka se gutlo ko Pirates.
20,000 it's about the fang ka dinto. They should have given it to Bamda.
20k
for wearing nice.
Serious?
Yeah, so which means next time I'm going to get it tops. I'm going to get it next time, which means. So yeah, Sibo, compliment to Sekhukhune.
Yeah.
They played very, very well.
Yeah.
Eric Tinkler, this team always is number 2, number 3, number 4.
Yes.
It's on the semi-final of the M10-8.
Yeah.
They never go there by fluke.
Yes.
So for me, Tammy, we're going to rally behind our team on Tuesday at Bloemfontein.
Yeah.
So I'm sure they will come victorious. Yeah. And then when we come with the big one on Saturday, and then also we go to the final. So for me, Stibo, this is the final before final.
Yeah.
This game that we see today, because Paris and Sekhukhune, they proceed to the final of the M10-8.
Yeah.
We're going to repeat. We're going to play with them again. Because this team deserves to be on the final. Sekhukhune, Paris deserve on the final for M10-8.
Yeah.
So Stibo, I don't know where I'm going to see you.
Yeah.
Or we're going to Bloemfontein.
Yeah.
Wednesday we're going to Cheese.
Yeah.
So please, Babagania, let's go and support our team at Bloemfontein and then come back on Saturday. And also, I just want to compliment all the Paris fans supporters who buy the ticket. Make sure that the M10 final ticket are sold out within 2 days or 1 day.
No, less than a day.
Less than a day. Yeah. So I just want to give the, please, well done to Mabagani. So as I said to Sundowns there at Lucas Moripe, Sundowns supporters, I told you when you are playing against Richards Bay that please don't bother yourself to come to another stadium. Pay your DSTV subscription so that sit at home and watch your match, because here we finish all the tickets. I don't think Sundown will come here.
Even long.
Is it true that
Long after speak with you, long he go public. He said, Sundown supporters, please let's go to the stadium. Stibo, I was there at Lucas Modibo when they were winning at Richards Bay. When we arrived there, people they were drinking outside the stadium at their homes. Camp chair, not going to stay at the stadium. So people of Mamelodi, they used to jazz. They used to jazz, not soccer, not soccer.
They used to jazz.
Take jazz to Pretoria or Murtala Park. Full packed. They don't go to the stadium. Imagine last week 15 kumbis for Orlando Pirates coming from Mamelodi. Inside Benekat, Mamelodi, coming to the Orlando Stadium. But those 15 kumbis for Sundown, they never go to Lucas Moripe because it was empty. Stibo, when you're going to Sundown's game, you can't miss even a phone. All the calls that someone is calling you, you will answer them freely.
There's network.
There's network. There's nothing. Stibo,
When we pass
everything you will hear. So, Stibo, now I want to challenge Sundown. I want to challenge the supporters of Sundown. Sundowns, they've got their people there. But if let's say they can give the hustler, give Womnis, these platforms to recruit supporters, Sundown will have a big supporters. Those two people, because they've got truth. They speak the truth. Hustler, Womnis, if they give them that you guys go out and recruit the supporters, everybody will go to the stadium.
That's true.
So also, Stibo, I'm very sad about Sundown. They don't want to give my cousin a contract, Muda.
Free Muda.
Free Muda. Even now, free Muda.
But they were chachara.
Check how Muda. Check Muda how he played at the club World Cup. Check how he played.
No, they don't pay.
Shalulil. Also Shalulil. They don't.
I thought money pay well.
On media. They pay.
On media.
But they don't pay.
So please, Sundown, if you say you don't want to cruise him down on your team, release him. Release him. Paris is here. Chiefs is here. They can look after him. Because you guys don't want to look after him. You want to look about what's less. Free Mudao. Please.
Is it Sam Mtalo what coaches Mangoba Mneti? Again, I want to ask, is it Sam Mtalo what coaches Mangoba Mneti? Deal with it, guys, because Mangoba Mneti Nati Agathonipi umtawu benomkwena mangana namhlanje sokuyisundowns sonke nomtawu dila nabo umtawu.
Yes. Yeah. Akal, Sundown. We are coming.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Family affairs.
And Sivo, I just yeah, they're coming here. Without Mudau, without Chalilile,
Without Ribeiro.
Without Ribeiro.
That's why they drew.
Yeah, that's what they drew there.
Yeah.
So he's back, but he's not playing. He's complaining. He want. I'm not speaking about someone cheese. Who's speaking at the back? Who's speaking? Come. Who's speaking?
Did you play on the bench?
Ever since I parted the beret, the little gloves, I saw them now.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, Sibo.
Thank you, brother.
Hey FANS, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.